make a good start. Oh, she's playful. Hello there, YouTube. Welcome back. Today we are driving a 2006 BMW Z4 3.0 liter with the 6-speed manual. I want to say a huge thank you to Armen at AREN Auto Group of Chantilly, Virginia for providing me this car. If you're looking to buy a car from AREN Auto Group, use the promo code DMCarReviews to get a special bonus. But let's get her started up and take her for a test drive. I've always really loved the Z4. It has had that cool appeal to it ever since I saw one as a kid. There's just something so unique and fun about this car. Its design, its shape. And these are actually very underrated cars. People don't expect them to be as quick as they are. Let's open the trunk, check that out. So here we got a tiny trunk that can probably fit in one suitcase, maybe one suitcase and a few bags, and that's it. All right. But look at how clean everything here is in this BMW. This is a beautiful unit, a very healthy one as well. But let's hop inside and go on the test drive. Getting in here is a little bit of a challenge because it is pretty tight, so you have to be really flexible to get in here. So we're greeted to the sporty, cozy cabin. It is very tight in here. I'm 6'2", but we got these cool cup holders that pop out. We got the heated seats. An auto climate system. Our AUX, FM, CD radio, SOS button. I don't know how to open these other things. The glove box doesn't, I can't really open it for some reason. I think it needs like the thing to get it, to grab it, because here it's lacking this thing. But actually, never mind. We can open it. There we go. Never mind. Everything opens. Sweet. This is a pretty simple, clean interior, great design. I love this aluminum trim. BMW still uses it to this day. The handles, everything is in very BMW-like fashion. But let's take her out for a drive, shall we? But first we will do a wiper test. Oh yes. Boom. Horn test. Okay. And let's begin. this car does not like these gravel roads, but is what it is. Even off-road, it actually does just fine, which is surprising. Not bad at all. The seats feel great. Plenty of comfort. Oh yeah. There's so much pep here, and we're not even in sport mode yet. Oh yes. I love the handling. It's literally the definition of what sporty means. The way it holds the car on the road is frankly phenomenal. Oh yes. Let's go. Yeah, sport really does the trick. Excellent handling. There we go. This is awesome. She has quite some power. You do not feel any speed in this Z4 whatsoever. Despite how low it is to the ground and how sporty it is, you don't feel anything. You just feel how rock solid and planted this Beamer is. It pretty much just glues to the ground. Excellent brakes. They stop the car with ease. The visibility is excellent. And I gotta say, these are very comfortable seats. They have great side support. And I feel very comfy in them. So I could definitely go on a long trip in these and not have an issue. Ooh. Oh, she's playful. clutch has excellent feedback. I know exactly what I'm doing. What a zippy machine. The one thing that I'm trying to get used to is the rev matching, because I feel like I'm giving enough gas, but then turns out I'm not giving enough gas when I'm rev matching. So that's really the only thing. All right, so continuing on our test drive. I love the way the Z4 sounds. This inline six is phenomenal. What a stellar powertrain. It's got so much torque, so much power. All right, well, we can try our first 0 to 60, see if we can get to 60 by the end of that line, and then we will do our formal 0 to 60. I don't think we'll have enough of the road to do it, but we'll still give it a little try. All right, let's see what we got. And we did 0 to 60 in 7.13 seconds uphill. Not bad, not bad at all. All right, so let's do it one more time. Make a good start. All right, see what we got. And we did, this time we did worse. We did 7.78 seconds. So this time I wasn't as good as the first time. And then the 1/8 mile came at 10.06 at 72.13. Of course, I could have done somewhat better. You know, uphill I did a 7.1. So probably with the right amount of RPMs and trying to not wheel spin, a 6.5 would be doable here. And it traps over 72 miles an hour, which is good. So very, very good times. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And until next time.